Good morning and welcome. This is Saturday morning, 7 o'clock Singapore time, and me and my wife, we are going for a run. So we will start from the Windsor Park. We'll go by treetop and then we will end at Macritchie. Okay, so because of the coronavirus, this car park is closed, but the park and the track is open. So you can come by any taxi or bus or MRT, and this is the taxi drop-off point. Yeah, you can come by taxi and you can get down here, and this is the starting point of the track. So actually this one is approximately 12 kilometers long. So this is the complete map. We'll start from here, we go to this way, and then we will end at Macritchie. So this complete track is, I think, 9 or 10 kilometers. So let's see how it goes. I will update you in between. Okay, so we are starting. Okay, so treetop walk is 1.9 kilometers from here, but I think this path is closed, so we will take alternate path. Actually it's quite tiring. We just started and we are already sweating. Still many kilometers to go, and just starting of the run. So now I already covered maybe 2.5 kilometers of run and really exhausted. So from here you have two ways to go. You can go directly to Macritchie. This is, I think, 3.6 kilometers from here. You can see Macritchie Reservoir Park, 3.6. Or you can take a longer way. So it will go to a ranger station, treetop walk, and other places also. You can also go to Bukit Timah Nature Park from here, which is only 6.8 kilometers. So we will take this way. This will go to ranger station, and from there we will continue to Macritchie. Okay, I reached to ranger station just now, and you can see I'm already sweating. I think it's 3.5 kilometers from the starting point. So here you can go to the restroom and you can drink water. So this is the ranger station. It's in middle of the trail. If you want, you can go to restroom. Yeah. Okay, then we will continue our run. We have still a lot of kilometers to cover. Okay, hopefully we will complete this run with you. Okay, again we got one team point. One is going to Macritchie, which is on the left hand side, and one is going to Bukit Mera. Both are same. It's 5.1 kilometers from here. So if you want to go Macritchie, you can take left, and girls can take right, because girls are always right. Yeah. Okay, let's continue the run. So actually there is a tower in between. I think you can go on the top to see the view around this place. But I think because of the coronavirus, they closed this one. So once the circuit breaker will open, then I think you can go and enjoy the view. So this is closed now, but I think this is quite tall. I think 6 or 7 floor high. Okay, here is another beautiful view in between. One side lake and one side forest. So I will also advise you that you should avoid to come here if it rained maybe 4 to 5 hours before, or it rained last day, because otherwise you will see a lot of mud here. So very difficult to cross this path. But now you just enjoy the view. Very calm and relaxing. Okay, continue again. In some places you will see like this one, water and mud, so your shoes will be dirty. This is 7:30 Singapore time. So on the right hand side there is a golf ground, and on the left hand side this is the Macritchie Lake. You can stop in between if you are feeling tired. Otherwise you can continue. It's still 4 kilometers to go. So this golf is the private property here, so you can't go inside. But if you want to go, just like my video and subscribe to my channel. Then I will give you some passes to go inside. Just kidding. Let's continue again. Inside the forest, it's very dark because there are so many trees and small plants inside. But the benefit is, if you're coming in the daytime also, you will not feel so hot because of the deep forest. Now I'm about to reach Macritchie. So here also you have 2 ways to go. This way go in from the forest, and this way go from outside. 2.8 kilometer from this way. So I will take this one, and later I will switch to the forest area. We have monkeys here, so be careful. Okay, this is end of my run. So I covered 9 kilometers from Windsor Park to Macritchie. I hope you enjoyed the run and now you are also feeling tired with me. Let me show you from where I started. I started from here, then covered this path. We went to ranger station, and then from here we came by this way, and then now you are here. So it's almost 9 kilometers done. This is the view of Macritchie. Now here what you can do is you can take rest, or if you want to do any exercise or stretching, you can easily do here. So this is Macritchie, and this one is Zigzag Bridge. So guys, this is the end of the run. Now I'm going back to my home. I hope you enjoyed the run. If you want more videos, please like and subscribe my channel, and stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. See you in next video.